Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to my new vlog. This is Prithvi and you're watching Prithvi Nivasi. तो guys, ऐसे प्रॉपर्टी मैंने ऑलरेडी 1 करोड़ में बेचा हुआ है. तो guys, जैसे कि थंबनेल मेरा ये कह रहा है कि I've sold such properties already in 1 crore. But this property I feel that can easily be a semi-commercial property. Right now though it is built for residential, but I want you guys to tell me that whether this property can be used as a commercial property as well. Can you comment and let me know that if you would use this for a semi-commercial, then what would you get in the ground floor? Like what kind of structure would you build in the ground floor? ये मुझे ज़रूर comments में बताना. At the moment the owner has built a 1 BHK in the ground floor and outside there is a parking. Nearly 2 cars with 5 to 6 bikes can easily park at this moment. बट आप मुझे ज़रूर बताना कमेंट्स करके कि इफ़ यू वुड वांट टू यूज़ दिस एज ए कमर्शियल, व्हाट वुड यू ब्रिंग अप इन द ग्राउंड फ्लोर. सो दिस इज़ अ लिफ्ट एरिया just next to the car parking, and this is a covered car parking area. Nearly 2 cars can easily accommodate here with 5 to 6 bikes, 2-wheelers. कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताना कि अगर आप इसे सेमी कमर्शियल के तौर पे यूज़ करते, इफ़ यू वुड यूज़ दिस एज ए सेमी कमर्शियल इन द ग्राउंड फ्लोर, व्हाट स्ट्रक्चर वुड यू ब्रिंग अप. आप इसे क्या दुकान बनाओगे, ऑफिस बनाओगे, 1 या 2 दुकान बनाओगे. सो दिस इज़ अ कॉर्नर 30-40 सेमी कमर्शियल प्रॉपर्टी. सो डू लेट मी नो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ सेमी कमर्शियल एक्टिविटी दैट यू विल ब्रिंग अप इन द ग्राउंड फ्लोर इफ़ यू do not need this car parking area. And also वो 1 BHK का आप क्या बनाओगे, whether it will be a shop or any office or anything. Do let me know. Comments में ज़रूर बताना. The owner is going to complete this building and hand it over to you in next 3 months time. तो guys, I saw a landmark from the terrace, so मैंने सोचा कि आपको पहले मैं landmark दिखा दूँ. So if you could tell me that which project is this? This is a Purva project on Tanisandra. So मैं आपको ये लैंडमार्क दिखाने से पहले I have entered into a small unit on the terrace, and this is a attached toilet and the kitchen area. तो guys, मुझे कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताना कि what rent can we expect in this small unit. So this is small RK. When I say RK, it is a room and a kitchen with attached toilet with terrace for this person, whoever is going to live here. So guys, it's time to check that landmark which I was talking about right in front of you. Far away you can see, मैं इसको zoom करके आपको दिखाता हूँ. This is a Purva project. What is the full name of this Purva project? Do let me know in the comments. Don't forget to comment the name of this Purva project right now. So let's go down and check. जल्दी मैं आपको प्राइस भी बताने वाला हूँ, रेंट्स क्या आने वाले हैं, मैं वो सब कुछ आपको बताऊंगा. तो गाइज, वी आर इन अ ब्रांड न्यू रेंटल इनकम प्रॉपर्टी, अ कॉर्नर प्रॉपर्टी वेरी क्लोज टू मान्यता टेक पार्क. आई एम ऑल्सो गोइंग टू टेल यू दैट हाउ फार इज दिस फ्रॉम मान्यता टेक पार्क. तो गाइज, डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. सो राइट नाउ आई हैव एंटर्ड द one of the unit. I think in this place I have seen a puja room below. So, and this is the puja room right in front of you, beautifully done, and the door is going to be fixed soon. This property is going to be finished in coming 3 months. So guys, the best part is the elevation of the building, the way the dining area is placed with the kitchen. That is one of the best part I felt. So this is how we entered. This is a huge, wide, spacious living area, and one beautiful thing I liked is the dining area with the kitchen. So मैं जल्दी आपको dining area भी बताऊंगा. Stay in the video till the end. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So this was a common toilet, and next to the common toilet is the bedroom, and on the other side of the bedroom is a master bedroom over here. So this has a attached toilet. Tile work सब कुछ हो गए हैं. Hardly there is few more work left, like the wiring. The granite is done, and just next to the puja room would be the kitchen and the dining. That is a lovely area. So there is a utility in this kitchen, and also the builder is giving complete woodwork in the building. So the dining area is just adjacent to the puja room, and right in front of the puja room, this is the kitchen area. Very spacious, beautiful, and also there you can see this is a complete dining area. Nearly 8 to 10 people can definitely sit here and dine. So very spacious dining area, puja area, the living room, the bedrooms. तो guys comment करके मुझे ज़रूर बताना कि what kind of paint are you going to choose on the walls if you would be buying this property. What is the kind of color that you would choose on the walls in the living and all the rooms. Nearly about 9 to 10 years back, I have sold such rental income buildings for 1 crore. Do you think that this kind of northeast corner semi-commercial property would come for 1 crore in today's market? Guys, please comment and let me know that do you think really that such kind of property would come in same price of 1 crore in today's real estate market. So guys, I've sold such properties already 9 years back for around 1 CR. But this is a corner property, a northeast corner with 3 different floors. Ground floor is 1 BHK, first floor is 2 BHK, second floor is 2 BHK, third floor is 2 BHK, and in the terrace there is a small 1 RK. The total income for this building would come up to nearly 1 lakh rupees rental income property every month, which is very close to Manyata. That was 9 years back. I sold such kind of buildings around for 1 crore. And definitely today, if you try to buy this kind of properties, it will definitely go above 3 crores, and that is 3 CR. So guys, I'm going to give you this property much more lesser than what you are thinking about. So the actual cost of this is, so this is a semi-commercial property from my opinion, and you can tell your opinion in the comments. Ground floor mein there is a 1 BHK which can give 15,000 rupees rent. First floor mein 2 BHK 25,000 rent, second floor 2 BHK 25,000 rent, third floor 2 BHK 25,000 rent, and in the terrace it is one small room which will fetch about 8,000 rupees rent. So totally the total rent of this building would come up to 1 lakh rupees. So guys, before I tell you the price of this building, lots of my subscribers wanted their business to be showcased in my channel around Hennur area and in and around Bangalore as well. So guys, we are ready to showcase your business in our channel, local business, big business, small business. So do contact me. My number is given in the description. This is a B-Khata property, and this has an individual E-Khata 1 kilometers from Manyata Tech Park, and the price of this property is only 2 crores 80 lakhs. 2 crores 80 lakhs. My number is in the description. Do call me. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. Thank you for watching till here. मिलते हैं अगली नई वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए thank you so much. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.